Paige Bueckers put NBA on notice with rising trading card value and jersey sales. Women's basketball is experiencing new waves of growth in commercial appeal. From trading cards that now command premium prices to Caitlin Clark claiming second place among both NBA and WNBA player jersey sale totals, women athletes are continuing to capture both the attention and wallets of sports fans. These surges in consumer interest also signal promising opportunities for women athletes as collegiate sport continues its growth in the world of NIL. The collectibles market is witnessing a historic shift as WNBA trading cards are garnering higher prices than NBA counterparts. When Panini released its 2024 Prism set for the WNBA in February 2025, hobby boxes were selling for approximately $1,200 each, which was significantly higher than the $800 pre-sale price for the 2024-25 NBA Prism set, releasing just days later. This 50% premium for women's basketball cards represents a dramatic reversal in the sports memorabilia market. Caitlin Clark is leading the way in this market shift as PSA, the industry's leading authentication and grading service, is reporting that Clark alone accounts for over 105,000 graded cards since the start of the 2024 WNBA season. To put this into perspective, fellow 2024 WNBA rookie Angel Reese comes in second place with 7,200 graded cards, and the 2025 WNBA top draft pick Paige Bueckers sits at 6,400. PSA recorded a 62% increase in graded WNBA cards in March 2025 compared to May 2024, indicating sustained growth in collector interest. Clark's individual impact continues to expand, with PSA grading 3 times more of her cards in March 2025, 12,400, than in March 2024, 4,200. In December 2024, a one-of-a-kind Panini Select WNBA Gold vinyl card featuring Clark sold at auction for $234,850, setting new records for both Clark memorabilia and women's basketball cards as a whole. This price point rivals many high-end NBA cards, confirming that collectors now view elite women's basketball cards as premium assets. Overall, the financial implications are striking when compared to historical pricing. The 2023 WNBA Prism hobby boxes had a suggested retail price of $150, meaning the 2024 boxes represent a 700% increase in just 1 year. The commercial impact of women's basketball extends beyond trading cards into merchandise, with jersey sales providing another clear indicator of the sport's growing popularity. According to data from Fanatics, Caitlin Clark's Indiana Fever jersey ranked as the second best-selling basketball jersey across both the WNBA and NBA in 2024, trailing only Golden State Warriors star Stephen Curry. Clark's sales outpaced NBA stars LeBron James, Luka Doncic, Anthony Edwards, and Jason Tatum, who all maintain substantial international followings and multiple years of established fan bases. For a rookie in a league that has traditionally received less media coverage to achieve such commercial success represents a significant shift in consumer behavior. By the 2024 WNBA All-Star break, player-specific merchandise sales had increased by 1,000% compared to the previous year. While Clark led this surge, she wasn't alone in driving consumer interest. Fellow rookie Angel Reese secured the second highest merchandise sales in the league. The 2025 rookie class appears ready to continue this upward trajectory. Paige Bueckers, who was recently selected first overall by the Dallas Wings in the 2025 WNBA draft, brings her own significant commercial appeal. Her Wings jersey is already generating significant sales, suggesting the potential for an ongoing rivalry with Clark not just on the court, but in the merchandise marketplace as well. The growth in trading card values and jersey sales also carry significant implications for the broader business of women's sports. Mostly, it should positively influence NIL valuations for women athletes at both the collegiate and professional levels, as companies are taking note of these trends. For example, card companies are now creating instant collections for newly drafted players. Following the 2025 WNBA draft, Panini released limited edition cards featuring top picks in their new WNBA uniforms, priced from $9.99 and up depending on the variation. This immediate monetization of player likeness represents a new revenue stream for athletes entering the league. The surge in consumer interest has also corresponded with increased viewership. The 2025 WNBA draft was the second highest viewed draft in league history, averaging 1.25 million viewers on ESPN, trailing only the 2024 draft featuring Clark and Reese, which drew 2.45 million viewers. During the 2024 season, the WNBA averaged 657,000 viewers per game, with 22 games surpassing 1 million viewers across various networks. Further, according to StubHub, ticket sales increased by 93% from 2023 to 2024. These metrics suggest that the value increase in collectibles and merchandise is not merely speculative, but instead reflects genuine growth in the popularity of women's basketball. For investors in the sports collectibles market, women's basketball now represents a legitimate asset class with substantial growth potential. For the players, the increased commercial interest translates directly into increased earning potential through endorsements, licensing, and merchandise sales.